Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Welcome back to another episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures. Well, we have a twist tonight. It's an unpackaging. It's not really an unboxing because it's not a box. It's made of cardboard. Cheers, big ears. But I have to do this video. I mean, I really have to do this. Because this is a gift or a donation to the channel. The other day, somebody stopped by and dropped this off and said, here you go, man. This is for you. It's a long-time viewer, long-time friend. Said, here, this is for your YouTube. All right. It's not exactly a box, but it's cardboard. Weighs 940 grams. It's a multitude of colors, all the colors of the rainbow. It's 14.5 inches long by 6.5 inches tall by 4 inches wide. And when you shake it, it sounds like that. But like I said, it's not an unboxing, it's an unpackaging. But I like this. It looks like this. Hey. Insulated tumblers. Goblets. Isoles. It looks like that. Oh wait. There's more. Yeah. How about that, eh? I think that's pretty fucking awesome for someone to drop that off. Well, like I said, I don't have to make the video, but I am making the fucking video. I think that's fucking great. That's awesome. Hey, I'm only one guy, but I got 4 insulated tumblers, goblets, isoles, 4-pack, stainless steel, double wall. What does it say here? Non-slip rubber base, condensation free, double wall, vacuum insulated, includes 4 lids. Fucking A. So, how do we open this fucking thing? Oh, I see tape things here. Tape! Put some tape on it! Henry Lavery, I missed that fucking guy. Hey buddy! Put some tape on it! Cut this bitch open, eh? Can we get that out? I'm kind of fucking wrecked, eh? Where's the thing? Oh yeah, it's there. Alright. Hey, and there you go. You know who it is. Where is this fucking thing? Oh, it goes this way. Dummy. Now what? Oh. It is kind of like an unboxing. Unpackaging. Fuck yeah. Come out. Come out. Come out. Fuck off. There we go. Hey, look. Super dry. Silica gel. Do not eat. That one isn't like little marbles though. Hey, the green one. That's the best one. Because everybody loves green, right? And then red. Christmas. There you go. Fuck right off. There we go. Hey, and look, I guess cups come with instructions. How about that? Look at that, eh? Oh, there's some fucking tape on there and fucking... There you go right now, eh? Let's just try this. Look out. Tape! Henry, got some tit, buddy? It's a lid. Oh, there's more tit. Of course we gotta do the green one first. I know this is a boring unboxing video, but do you think I give a fuck? Content! Hey, I'm very appreciative that people give me shit. And don't worry, I gotta open that one. But okay, it's like a sippy cup. No thanks. Yeah, the lid keeps the bugs out though. Hey, oh. An O-ring. Fuck yeah. That's heavy duty plastic too. That's fucking great. I bet you we can put a full beer in there. Fuck yeah. Look, I'm not even washing it. This is not a full beer, this is a tall boy. In Canada, the standard beer is a bottle is 341 milliliters, a can is 355. This is a 473 ml can. Oh no, you're gonna die. You didn't fucking wash it. Okay, let's read the instructions while that fucking settles. First thing will be, wash your fucking cups. Think I fucking care? This is the drunk house, bitches. I like the fact that these things have O-rings on them. Is it instructions? What is this? Insulated tumblers. Goblets, isoles. Care and safety. Wash before use. And it's good for hot beverages. You want to put a coffee in there, you can put a fucking coffee in there. Oh well, not great hot. Here you go. Green. Green is good. Foam. Cheers, big ears. Well, and I'm not naming the person that dropped off. It actually, well, it was one person that dropped off, but it's from a family. Thank you very much, guys. It's greatly appreciated. And no, they don't want to be named, and I respect that. Super dry. That can fuck off too. Alright. How about that, eh, bitchy? That's fucking awesome. Hey, every bit of support to the channel helps. Thank you very much. Rock the fuck on. RTFO. Woo! Cheers, big ears.